Hello everyone, and welcome to the Royal Hall in Harrogate. Yeah, they had an open day today on the 12th of March, so I thought I'd have a little wander down, check it out, do a bit of exploring. I think it's really cool when places do this. They can just open the doors and you can just turn up and have just a wander around. They do free tours as well if you want to go for a free tour. Or you could just wander in and have a look around yourself. That's what I did. Open today. All the shows that are on. And look at these doors here. Entrance doors. It's pretty cool. They usually have quite a lot of different events going on at the Royal Hall. I came here years and years ago. They had a big 80s party night on. That was pretty good. Everyone was just up dancing all night. It was pretty crazy. And here we go. We'll go inside. And this is the entrance. You come in and then we get to see the ticket booths a little bit later on. But yeah, you come in. The Grand Circle. I don't think that's real gold. It was all refurbished, was this place as well. I got a little pamphlet thing here with all the information in it about the Royal Hall. Why was it built? People have been visiting Harrogate for over 400 years to take the waters in the area. To take the waters the area has to offer. In 1835 the population was around 3,000, but by 1901 this had grown to 26,583, with visitor numbers increasing by the same rate. By the end of the 19th century the spa was so popular. Yeah, it is a spa town, Harrogate, yeah. That's what it's known for. They do have the royal baths and everything. Yeah, the spa was so popular that the Grand Royal Baths Hydrotherapy Water Treatment Centre was built. Spa visitors also wanted entertainment as part of their cure, in brackets, but the town's current halls and pump rooms were just too small. In 1898, the Harrogate Corporation agreed that a European-style Kursaal was just what was needed. These fashionable buildings combine spa treatments such as gentle exercise and relaxation with theatre, both of which were the height of popularity at the time. There was already a suitable site available right next door to the spa rooms. I suppose it is it's not next door, it's pretty much across the road, and it's not far away, it's a stone's throw away. Well, there's the Grand Hall, and in one of the private booths there. We get to go upstairs as well a little bit later on. And a few things I found interesting as well. I'll point them out a bit later upstairs. Look at all the detail on the ceiling, that's pretty cool. Marble, I don't know if that's real marble. Columns. Then we go around the back. Yeah, you can walk all the way around. I think there's normally like a bar area at the back as well. There's bars on each side, bar around the back. Well, the Beatles also were here as well in March 1963, Beatlemania. In March, the Beatles performed to a packed Royal Hall just weeks after their second single, Please Please Me, reached #1 in the music charts. So it's quite a good little pamphlet they've given me here, lots of history. You get this for free as well when you walk in. Yeah, because I thought I was there for the tour, but I just said, oh no, just come for the open day. And I went, oh, here you go. Have a nice walk around. You can take a video, you can take pictures. You go upstairs, go in the changing room. I couldn't really find the changing room. I was just kind of... There was like a coat hang room section. But yeah, and then we go through these doors, around the other side. There was a lot of stalls, people selling bits of like charity stuff, and it's all sorts really. But if you go up them stairs, that takes you right back to the main entrance. I thought I'd go through here, the Grand Circle again. So it looked like it officially opened on the 27th of May 1903 by Sir Hubert Parry. He opened the Royal Hall. Director of the Royal College of Music in London, he was invited to take part by Sampson Fox, the former mayor of the town. And also Sampson Fox lived in, I think he was the mayor of Harrogate for 3 years, and he lived in Grove House, where we did the tour before. I've tried to get in touch with the owners of Grove House to see if we can maybe pop in and visit again, but they haven't got back to me at all. It's a bit strange really. The last I heard was that well, they're building it into a care home, and oh, look up there, all the way through the ceiling. Unfortunately we couldn't go on the stage, so we couldn't have a proper look right up there, but yeah, never mind. But yeah, Grove House, everyone, like, not everyone, but a lot of people have messaged me asking what's going on, and I don't know, I can't get in touch with the people who own it, or they won't reply to my emails or anything, so I don't know what's going on. You know, so I don't know, I'll be sad if it all falls through, but never mind. I don't know. I'll keep trying, I suppose. Yeah, so there is some more Sampson Fox bits a bit later on in this video. Yeah, what else have we got on here? Oh, the new name. So it was called the Kursaal. Oh, we're going upstairs now. Yeah, 1914. The name Kursaal, or Kursaal, which seemed completely appropriate for this building in 1903, began to cause discomfort in 1914, when all things German became unacceptable. Application was made to the Home Security to adopt the name Royal Hall, and this change was eventually approved. Ooh, look at them stairs. Little toilets through there. And the stained glass windows. Yeah, and they did, there we now, we'll turn over. So 2002, due to the condition of the building, there was no option but to close the Royal Hall to the public whilst plans were still being made on the future of the building. 2006, the Royal Support. Restoration begins to bring the Grade 2 listed building back to its former glory, with the Royal Hall Restoration Trust patron HRH Prince of Wales visiting in July along with a group of VIP guests. This visit and the subsequent unscheduled walkabout outside the Royal Hall inspired significant donations. Wow. Oh, the Grand Harrogate 2008. That's when it opened again. I was just talking about the support. Yeah. 2008. Glittering Palace of Gold. The building was officially reopened on the 21st of January 2008 by Trust patron HRH Prince of Wales. Then on the 27th of April there was a glittering concert by Halley Orchestra, who performed in the Royal Hall back in 1939, followed by a gala dinner for around 1,000 people. The following night the Manchester Camerata played to a full house. Well, there we go, and now we're upstairs. Yeah, and then, 2008, the first public day. The doors of the Royal Hall were opened for viewing by the general public. Such was the local interest that around 5,000 people turned up, with queues around the corner to get a glimpse of this magnificently restored glittering palace of gold. Well, there we go. There's a long history. Very long history. And this is what it looks like in 2025. It opened in 1903 and it's still open today. We get a good view from up here. Nice view of the stage there. Yeah, the 80s night, I don't think they had tickets for upstairs. I think it was all, they just cleared the floor downstairs and everyone was just dancing. Crazy ceiling. And what I was looking for as well on the ceiling, you'll see it in a second, is if you look there, on the right in the middle, you'll see two foxes. We get to look at it a little bit in a second. I was just doing a panoramic view, whatever they're called. So yeah, I think there was an event happening. That's why they had all the tables and chairs.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
So we have a look at the two foxes there, and that is Samson Fox's invention, the corrugated flue, right in the middle there. And that's how he made tons of cash, inventing that back in the day. Yeah, and he was the mayor of Harrogate for 3 years, and he lived in Grove House. And yeah, we get to see a big portrait of him later on. I'd love to go back to Grove House. Why don't you get back to me, Springfield Healthcare? Get back to me. And just to go have a look around the gardens and the building, and I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that place. Nothing's really going on. It's been stood still. They sold it in 2015, and it's still stood there now, doing nothing really. So I don't know. Look at the size of them lights. I thought they were big cameras at first, but they're lights, I think. Big spotlights. Yeah, they have all sorts of things going on. There's always something going on at the Royal Hall. And then we go down the other side of the stairs. I was going to stop filming there as well, but I spotted something interesting. And you get to see the portrait of Samson Fox, so there he is, just on the wall. Just chilling out up there. I thought that was pretty cool. And then we're back at the main entrance. You can see the booths in a second. I do have a walk around. It's not a very big place, but I see these booths were open here, so I had a little sneaky peek in there. The control room, I'm guessing. I don't know if they control all the lights from that little room, maybe. But yeah, well, that was pretty cool. More people are turning up now. Private box of the chairman as well. Well, I'm going in there. Check out the view for the chairman. No, not a bad view. Yeah, they have quite a few of these open days if you check on the website. I'll put in a link to the website in the description, and you can come down and they do tours, and you can donate some money as well. I donated £3 because they do say you can do, and it's just £3 just to help. As long as it's going towards a good cause, this building. And these are the ticket booths. And that's we were at the other side of them at the start, and a bit of history there. And then we signed another guest book. We're going all over the place now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!